It's Tuesday, September 10th, 2013, and getting ready to juice. Got a little bit of horseradish, some lettuce, or some spinach, some cilantro, some kale, 1 beet, 4 pieces of celery, 6 or 8 carrots, 2 apples, lemon, and a bunch of my tomatoes from my garden. So I'm getting ready to juice that. That should probably make about 1/4 1/2, enough for me and Megan. Yeah. Oh, Carly, I'm trying to drink my juice here. Wow. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay, so it's Monday, September 16th, 2013, and we moved everything that was in the front yard to the side of the house and got it all the way because I'm gonna have a bulldozer come and move all this earth back here and kill and take out all those bushes, and I'm gonna put dirt all through here and build up the front yard. So we moved all the herbs to right here. This is these guys getting ready to take a shower, lighting the water heater. So hopefully I can put some dirt here too, build up the sides, and then put some rocks because it's not really wide enough here. So
in front of you.
look at that. That's the meal, the plate that Megan just made for all of us. As we're intending on the land. We're gonna shape it with a big giant machine. Get outside. Go on. It's Wednesday, September 18, 2013, and I'm getting ready to juice. Got some spinach, got a piece of ginger, got some kale, got 1 orange and 2 lemons, got the tops of 4 small beets, got a romaine lettuce, 3 carrots, a little bit of cilantro, half of a cucumber, and 1 apple. So I'm gonna juice that. That's gonna be my lunch.
Woohoo.